Hello everyone, welcome to another video in DaVinci Resolve. Now in this video, I will show you how to add text behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. Now, basically this is very simple. All you have to do is mask the object that you want to put a text behind it. So basically, as you can see, first you need to import the video into the timeline and right click on the video and select copy to duplicate the clip. And then you want to paste it back onto the timeline. Basically, you want to create two clips. Now from there, as you can see, you will need to go to the pen tool. You see here is the pen tool, and you'll need to, for example, in this case, go and mask the object that you want to put before the text, because text will be behind the object. So that's what you want to do. Once you create a manual mask, or before you create a manual mask, or once you create this outline, you will focus on the first clip and go to the color page of DaVinci Resolve. Now click on a node and navigate to the window tab to access the masking menu. Now you want to choose the curve tool, and that will basically do the job. Obviously, once you do that, this is you can zoom in on viewer and left click to draw the mask around the objects however you want. However, that's not that important. It's important to ensure that the mask follows the movement in the video. So you need to go to the tracker menu and click the icon with two arrows. Check that the mask tracks the movement correctly after the process is complete, which is right here, as you can see, and right here. So from there, you need to isolate the masked area, which is with this tool right here, and you can activate the highlight option to see the only masked object. So that's basically it, and you can do so by clicking on the one tool, which is that particular tool. Now from here, as you can see, you can add alpha output. Once you add the alpha output, that will soften the mask edges, and you can go back to window tab and increase the softness on the left side of the tab. From here, you can arrange the clips and add the text. So you can add the text and it needs to be under the layer. So you have mask layer, text, and then you have your video that you did previously copied or duplicated. Now from there, you just customize the title, click on the title clip in the timeline and select inspector from the top right corner on the edit page of DaVinci Resolve. And you can basically play around with the text, but it will look like this, as you can see right here. It will look really, really crisp and amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can go. You can obviously customize the title and stuff like that. However, if you want to see like a more in-depth video on this, we can create one. So definitely check it out down in the comments below. Check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you in the next video.